You want to control that fish and make him move. Go to the other side. Take your rod around. Take your rod around. Take your rod around. Christmas yesterday. Move that rod, move that rod. Keep the tension on him. See, now don't let him go into the boat now. Pull him out, he's right here. This is a nice one. This is a nice one. Yeah, this is a nice one. Keep the rod down, reel it up a little bit. Got him a little tarpon here, about a little 15 pounder, a little juvie. Sweet. There's a lot more in here where they came from.